I got an affirmation that I could really learn something here and it could change my life. I should just say one word, you'll just miss the entire life that you're going to have after this program. But once I started doing those ads, no, I came to know like hands-on experience. I got that confidence in myself, I can do it. Within this year, I have planning to do it internationally also, to approach international clients.
Hi everyone, meet Arthi. She's from Trichy, Tamil Nadu, and she's a digital nomad. She successfully launched her business in first 10 days. That means she got a client in first 10 days. And then in 22 days, she got two more clients. So let's try to understand more about how Arthi was able to do all of this. Arthi, welcome to this call. And congratulations, you have done a great job.
Hi, Bipin. Thank you. I must really say thank you to you only.
Okay. So who was that first client? Tell me more about what happened and how did you get that first client, second client, and all that?
Yes, definitely. When I started the 30-day course, I was doing every task each day you assigned to us. And while doing that, I received a text message in the group that your my seniors texted that they got a client. After seeing that, I got motivated and I thought, okay, I'm already ready. Let's approach a client. And within almost 10 days, I approached and I closed the client. They are a wedding photographer and they closed the deal for 20,000.
Wow. So in just 10 days, you got your first client. And have you started any business past before this? Are
No,
you a business owner in the past?
no, I was not in the business. I used to work I am still working in a consultancy, startup consultancy, and my
So you're,
salary was 12K. Now
uh,
I'm getting 20K from your course.
okay. So this client is paying you 20,000 per month. And also
Yes,
your job income is also there.
yes.
So from 12,000 to of 20, 30, almost 30 plus you're earning it. You're getting a call.
Uh, just spam call, sorry.
Okay. So now you've got a client, you're also having a full-time job. How do you feel?
I really feel so blessed because I wanted to study digital marketing so bad for the past 1 year. I was looking into every agency who teaches this, and I was not sure whether to go to them. But when I see your profile, I think I saw your ad or reel, I don't know. When I saw that, I kind of like, I got an affirmation that I could really learn something here and it could change my life. And that's how I chose you guys. And to be honest, it is really a life changing moment for me the day I chose the course and the course started.
So
So
why do you say it's life-changing and it is the best decision? Why?
because before COVID, I used to work in a travel industry. At that time, I used to earn 40,000, 50,000. But due to this COVID, it really hit me bad. And I started earning 12K as a part time or full time. And after that, I wanted to learn digital marketing that is so trending in these days. And from 12K, now it is almost like 35K I'm getting. It is
Mm.
really like getting back into my own self.
Wow. Wow. So you got your first client in 10 days and then you got two more clients in within 30 days, right? Within
Yes.
completion of 30 days. So who are those clients? First is wedding photography, second client, third client, what are they into? And yeah.
Yes, my niche I chose is wedding photography and makeup artist. The second is also wedding photography, and the third is makeup artist.
Okay.
Uh, they were okay with one of the client is okay with 15 days free trial.
Okay. Okay. Nice. So how did you approach them? What strategies did you use?
I reached them through Instagram.
Okay. So you used my script of Instagram
Yes,
message. Wow.
yes.
So is that does my all my teaching does it work? Is it practical? Is it reality? Like, does it work?
It does work 100%. Like at least few people just ignore the text. There are really those kind of people, but people reply, people ask what is it about. Even if they are not going to close, no, they are still giving the contact number to just have a call with us, one-on-one consultation with us. And almost like people are okay with closing, but they are already having a digital marketing also, they are still interested to have a call with us to discuss the strategies. So it really works.
Nice. And now, what all skills have you learned in how many days?
In 30 days, I have learned to improve my sales through this
Improve
call
your.
consultation,
Okay.
one-on-one consultation,
Okay.
and Facebook ads running,
Okay.
copywriting,
Okay.
and how to create like approachable, effective ad
Offer.
creatives,
Add creatives. Okay.
create irresistible offers.
Mm. What else? Think. Website.
Yes, sorry. I also learned how to create a website
Yeah.
and publish it,
Closing.
everything.
Sales and closing.
Yes, that
Ads.
was,
Ads.
yes, ads. Ads I told you.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, 5 to 6 skills in just 30 days. And moreover, you learned how to launch a business
Yes,
in 30 days. Like, is it really possible?
yes,
People will not
definitely
believe. Is it possible?
it is definitely possible.
Why?
In
Why do
30
you
days,
think, okay, it was very powerful, and what was different from maybe other programs or you from your experience? How different was this from all your education?
yes. Uh, in school and in college, they will give us important questions.
Yeah.
We study that, we will pass the exam. That is same logic here. You
Mm.
teach us what is important and how to do that in a correct way, each and everything step by step. That gives us like clear clarity whether we are doing mistake or we are doing it correctly. Every time when we do a new thing, we'll be having few doubts whether
Yeah.
we are doing it right or not. Every time we can watch that video, because you have already mentioned that there might be this mistake you will be making, you can clear that.
Mm.
That really helps a lot for
Okay.
us without doing any mistakes.
Nice. So, like you, if a new beginner who doesn't have any digital marketing background, and if they want to learn from us, what would you say? Should they join? Should they say no? I don't want to do this. What would you say for them?
I should just say one word, you'll just miss the entire life that you're going to have after this program. You can really join it.
Yeah, true. And what about your mindset? How different are you thinking now? And how strong is your mindset before and after?
Yes, before joining this course, like in the pre-training, I used to think that if we do this, will people like really reply? Will I get clients? 25K, will they really go for that amount? I used to doubt it. But
Mm.
once I started approaching clients, I kind of have, uh, okay, I can do this.
Mm.
Everyone can do this. And not only that, offering them 25K, we are doing that job for what they are paying. Like,
Mm.
he's not paying us for not doing anything. We are doing his job behalf
Mm.
of him. So it is definitely worth it. And why should we go a lesser amount? We
Correct.
have that capability to
You
run the correct
have a
ad. And
you have a good mindset now. You have
yes,
a mindset of earning more income.
yes.
Okay. Got it. Then, and if you want to talk about the best part till now, what is your favorite part and the best part being in the movement and being with us?
The best part is anytime you'll help us out,
Mm.
whatever the doubt, just one text away you are. You'll,
Yeah.
even if you are busy, you will be replying it in a day almost.
Mm.
Whenever I text, you reply and help me out, everything. That
Yeah.
constant support, I don't know how many communities are doing that.
Mm. Got it. So, if you want to say one word for this entire program, what one word would you choose out of these options? Time waste, useless, gold, gold mine, world class. yeah, diamond or diamond mine?
Diamond mind.
Okay. So where do you see yourself in next 3 months, 4 months, doing the same thing? If you give all your energy and focus, where do you see yourself? How much would you be? How much? How much confidence do you have in 3 months or 6 months? I can make this much per month. What's the confidence you have got?
I About closing the clients, I have a target at least to close 4 more clients who can pay me, like even if it is a free trial or immediate
Hmm.
thing. I have a target within July. I have a goal for 4 more clients, and within this year, I have planning to do it internationally also, to approach international clients.
So at least let's say how much in 6 months, what should be your monthly income?
1 lakh
1 lakh.
minimum.
So now with all the knowledge and the skills you have got in 30 days, do you think that you can achieve 1 lakh? Is
Yes,
the knowledge is enough? Or
yes, definitely.
so
Before starting the first client's work, I was thinking whether I could do it. But once I started doing those ads, no, I came to know, like, hands-on experience. I got that confidence in myself. I can do it. So within 6 months, I can easily close uh, 4 more clients and achieve my goal, 1 lakh
how
per
would your
month.
life look if you make 1 lakh per month?
I will not be staying in home.
So you'll be going out,
Yes,
traveling, or living your dream life.
yes. I used to travel before COVID. I'm missing that, so I'll be traveling again.
Awesome, awesome. And like before joining, were you doubtful? What fear you had? Like how did you say yes? Because it's not a small fees; it's a big ticket. It's a
Yes.
high ticket fees. And how did you say yes? Like what made you say yes? Like
The
did you
way,
like we might scam, or did you have that thought and like your experience?
no, I definitely didn't think that it was a scam. Uh, when I attended your webinar, your speech, the way you approached, the way you told your story, it was really inspiring. That what made me, okay, we can do it here. That what made me really do that.
Okay. So as a mentor, yeah, me as a mentor, do I have the right knowledge and do I teach perfectly? What's your feedback on me?
Yes, you definitely do it. Your job so good.
Okay. So what's the best part you liked in me? Or the best part you liked in me?
You keep motivating us.
Hmm.
Like,
Okay.
uh, people have that positive energy within ourselves, know that aura is within you, that
Hmm.
positive aura. You share it every time.
Got it. Got it. Perfect. And anything else would you like to share? Maybe to someone who want to become digital nomad, live a freedom life. What would you like to share for them? You being in our community now, what would you say for
Yes. Yes. Hey guys, if you are planning to do a digital marketing course and you are thinking that where to learn and what to do, how to learn everything, you should definitely choose Freelanpreneur. They give you 100% knowledge which you can easily understand in a step by step manner, and they will help you to live your dream life.
Awesome. Thank you so much, Arthi. I wish you more power and a lot of wish you good luck. So, if you want to hit your goal, there is only one way. Focus.
Yes.
Your every day you should be thinking about your business and growth.
Yes.
You should be
Sure.
thinking about how can I add more value to clients.
Yes.
And if you are laser focused and just have only one goal, no one can
Okay.
stop.
Okay.
Today you have so many skills. No one can stop you. The only one thing which can stop you is your own mind.
Yes.
So do not quit, push through. That's the formula to success. Um, so, and yeah, see you in the weekly calls.
Definitely, bro.